Chapter 18. AI for Fraud Detection and Cybersecurity in Finance. Imagine a bustling metropolis of global finance where trillions of dollars flow seamlessly across networks, exchanging hands with the speed of light. Beneath this shimmering facade, however, lies a shadowy underworld where sophisticated cybercriminals lurk, seeking opportunities to exploit the system. Fraudulent transactions, subtle, complex, and concealed within the immense volume of daily activity, pose a constant threat to the integrity of financial ecosystems. But what if there was a guardian capable of tirelessly scanning these vast streams, pinpointing deceitful patterns faster than any human eye could detect? Enter artificial intelligence, the silent sentinel of modern fraud detection. The role of AI in combating fraud. AI has revolutionized the battlefield against financial fraud, equipping organizations with the ability to detect anomalies that might otherwise slip through unnoticed. By harnessing the power of machine learning, AI systems delve into historical transaction data, unearth patterns, and illuminate suspicious behaviors with remarkable precision. This ability to learn from the past and adapt to evolving threats has made AI a cornerstone in the fight against financial fraud. Fraud analytics, a sophisticated blend of data analysis and AI, enables organizations to not only uncover fraudulent activities, but also preemptively address vulnerabilities. Let's explore how these technological marvels work, starting with the foundation of machine learning. Machine learning, decoding patterns in the chaos. Imagine trying to spot a single counterfeit note in an ocean of currency. This daunting task mirrors the challenge of detecting fraudulent transactions within vast datasets. Machine learning, a subset of AI, rises to this challenge by mastering the art of pattern recognition. At its core, machine learning teaches computers to discern normal behaviors from anomalies without requiring explicit instructions for every scenario. By analyzing historical data, transactions that are both legitimate and fraudulent, the algorithm learns to differentiate the routine from the irregular. For example, it might recognize that a user consistently makes purchases within a specific region. If a high-value transaction suddenly originates from another country, the system flags it as suspicious. These models, once trained, become digital detectives, scanning real-time transactions and raising the alarm when something deviates from the norm. This ability to swiftly and accurately identify anomalies empowers financial institutions to thwart fraudulent activities before they spiral out of control. Building the AI shield, a step-by-step journey. The journey to creating an AI-powered fraud detection system is intricate, requiring careful orchestration of data, algorithms, and technology. It begins with data collection, the bedrock of AI effectiveness. Data collection, the foundation. Picture a mosaic made up of thousands of tiny tiles. Each tile represents a transaction detail, amounts, timestamps, account information, and even geographic locations. Together, they create a comprehensive portrait of financial behavior. Collecting such granular data is essential to train AI systems effectively. In some cases, organizations go a step further, incorporating behavioral data such as login patterns or transaction frequencies. By weaving these threads of information into the dataset, they enhance the AI's ability to detect fraudulent activity. Every data point, no matter how small, contributes to a clearer picture of what constitutes normal and abnormal behavior. Feature extraction, unlocking insights. Next comes feature extraction, a process akin to sifting through raw data to uncover nuggets of valuable information. Features are the defining characteristics that help the AI distinguish fraudulent transactions from legitimate ones. Consider a transaction's timestamp. On its own, it may seem mundane, but if transformed into a feature indicating whether the transaction occurred during unusual hours, it becomes a powerful indicator. Similarly, grouping transactions by type or frequency can help the model zero in on suspicious patterns. This stage requires creativity and precision, as the quality of extracted features directly impacts the AI's performance. Model training, teaching the guardian. Now the AI system begins its education. During model training, the machine learning algorithm uses historical data to identify the telltale signs of fraud. It refines its predictions by comparing its outputs with known outcomes, adjusting its internal parameters to minimize errors. For instance, if the system mistakenly flags a legitimate transaction as fraudulent, a false positive, it learns from the error, recalibrating to improve accuracy. Over time, the model becomes adept at generalizing its understanding to new, unseen data, making it a formidable tool for real-world fraud detection. Testing and deployment into the wild. Once the model has learned its lessons, it's time for testing, a rigorous phase where the AI's capabilities are evaluated using data it hasn't encountered before. This step ensures the model can adapt to real-world scenarios, balancing precision and recall to minimize false positives and negatives. After passing the testing phase, the model is deployed into live systems, where it monitors transactions in real time. Like an ever-vigilant guard, the AI scans each transaction as it occurs, flagging potential fraud for human investigators to review. Continuous vigilance, the evolving battle. The fight against fraud doesn't end with deployment. Criminal tactics evolve, and so must the defenses. Continuous monitoring and periodic retraining of AI models ensure they remain sharp and responsive to new threats. Fresh data keeps the system attuned to emerging patterns, safeguarding financial ecosystems against the ever-changing landscape of cybercrime. In this ongoing battle, artificial intelligence has proven to be an invaluable ally, transforming the way organizations detect and prevent fraudulent activities. With its ability to analyze vast amounts of data, adapt to new threats, and respond in real time, AI is not just a tool, it's the future of financial security. As technology advances, its role as a silent guardian will only grow stronger, ensuring that the world of finance remains a trusted and resilient pillar of modern life.